Hello everyone, I'm Oath, Thai in the United States. In 2018, my husband was hiring Advance company, Advance Home Improvement, replacing the windows on the first floor, every single window. And I just wondered how they did, but I didn't stay on their way. I just walk around the house before and when they take a break at noon, and then after they finish their job, they told my husband to take photo at the spot which damages, like the window screen, other thing else. Then I took picture pretty much of window screen torn. After sending pictures to them about a day or two, they send the guys to replace, and all looks new. So that's all about this video. I think my husband using this company for several things in the house, like windows, siding, and he planned to hiring them to do something else in the future that he told me. Let's follow us if you would like to know what would he decided to do next. And by the way, in this video you will notice we had cats. Nowadays we didn't have them. I miss them. One passed away, and in the same day the other one just left from the house without notice. That was my bad, because I opened the garage, which I didn't notice he was in the garage. Then I opened the garage door, and he may sneak out sometimes. I noticed after that he didn't eat. He didn't show up and eat as usual. Just reminding me on the video to my cats. Okay, that is all about window replacement. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.